Hey, so in our last video, I think Trey showed you one of the contestants, I guess, for the seeds for the Survival Seeds collaboration for 2026. And we got this, and it comes from Amazon. The collaboration will send these seeds directly to you if you make an entry video and tell us you want to be participating in Survival Seeds 2026. But this is the Summer Varieties Organic Seeds by Sweet Yard Seed Company. And we're gonna get them started. We have I'm not sure how to show you, heat mat. This is just where I'm recording. It's not gonna be growing on my piano. And this seed pack is USDA organic, and it comes with 12 seeds. You can pick 6 or more to grow from the seed pack if this is what we're going with. And we're gonna test out their germination rate. So what we did, is we took the Calendar bell peppers, and we kind of just laid them out on this napkin. You can kind of see it through the paper. And this napkin is wet, and it's going to germinate in here, and then we're going to transfer it to some dirt when it's old enough. So you have Calendar organic bell peppers. We have Hale's Best jumbo cantaloupe. Also the same thing applies. It's just on the napkin, and we're going to let it germinate. Same for all of these. We have Galilee spinach. I'm kind of excited about this one. Toma Verde Tomatillo. I don't know what you use these for, but I've seen them admired. So I think I've also heard people last year in our collaboration talk about that plant because they grew it. We have some basil, and I can move these, and then you can just see them. And you got celery. We got Moon and Stars watermelon, and this is a cool looking watermelon. Shishito pepper. So there's a couple different pepper varieties, but I'm partial to the Calendar Bell because that's what we used last year. We also have Market More 76 cucumber. And we did actually get some comments last year saying, or on our poll, that they would be interested in trying cucumber. I meant cucumber. They have zucchini, if that's up your alley. Heirloom tomato and Roma tomato. So there's also 2 varieties of different tomatoes. The Roma is what we grew last year, and a lot of people liked that. This is a bigger, like, beefsteak kind of tomato. But ideally, if we went with this, it's gonna come in this, and you get all 12 seeds. You get about 2 grams per seed packet, and you can mix and match, do whatever you please. You can grow all 12, or just pick your own 6 or more. But I think that's how that would go if we go with this. We're just going to set them on the heating mat to encourage germination, and we will check back in when they sprout, see if they work well.